Why spend so much on disinfectant when you can easily make your own powerful Izal at home? It's cheap, effective, and today I'll show you how it is being done. Let's get started. For ingredients, I'll need some phenol, Izal, star whitener, Disinfectant, pine oil, carbolic acid, Izal concentrate, industrial camphor, and then my 5 liters of water. So once these are ready, let's dive into the mixing. So the first thing we want to do is to dissolve our Disinfectant with the pine oil. Disinfectant acts as a foaming agent and emulsifiers. It helps to mix oils with water and produce lather when used. Okay, so the next thing to add is our pine oil to the Disinfectant and mix it thoroughly together. Pine oil acts as a disinfectant and adds a pleasant pine fragrance. It also helps dissolve greasy stains and has antibacterial properties. Once the Disinfectant is dissolved, pour it into a bowl where the other ingredients will be mixed with it. Okay. So the next thing to go in with now is the Izal concentrate. This is the main antiseptic stroke disinfectant base. It helps to kill germs and bacteria, deodorizes surfaces, and provides the strong antiseptic scent associated with Izal. And next is carbolic acid, a strong antiseptic and disinfectant, helps to kill bacteria and germs. It gives the Izal its characteristic medicinal smell. And the next on the line is phenol. Phenol, just like the carbolic acid, contains some disinfectant and antibacterial properties. Okay, just add all these ingredients and stir continuously, just as you can see me in the video. And mind you, any ingredients can go before the other. You don't have to follow my own style or procedure. Okay, so and the next on the list is Lysol. Lysol is a disinfectant agent. It helps to kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It also has the killing power of the mixture. Okay, and then the next thing to add is my booster. Okay, so pour it into the content in the bowl and mix thoroughly. There's no special rule, no special trick. All you need is just add and mix. But today I'm making for 5 liters. You don't have to get all the measurements right. All you need to do, just go to any chemical shop in your area. They will ask you for the quantity you want to make and they will give you the right measurement. Okay, so this is all I add for my 5 liters. And the next thing to go in with is my water, which is our solvent. And when adding your water, don't add everything at once, add in batches. For my 5 liters, I added it 3 times. Add a little, stir together, add a little, stir together. The next thing I'll be adding now is whitener. It helps to give the final product a white, creamy appearance. Sometimes it is used to improve the texture and make the solution look thicker. Add and stir that together. Okay, so after that, the next thing to go in with now is another round of water. Remember, I said I did not add my 5 liters at once. You get why. Add this and stir together. Let me tell you why you should make your own Izal at home. It's cheaper than buying every time. Another reason is that you get to control the strength and fragrance. Also, it's actually fun once you know the right measurements. With just simple ingredients, you can be able to make your own at home. And now I'm adding my last batch of water before my Izal will be ready. Even though the Izal is not yet ready, but look at that. See how foamy it is. This is how you know you have done it right. You can use this homemade Izal for toilets, bedroom floors, mopping the house, and cleaning surfaces. And trust me, it works just like the store-bought ones. For more fragrance, I'll be adding this industrial camphor to the mixture. Stir that together. Cover up the Izal and let it stay for about 2 hours, after which it is ready for use. Just like that, you have made your homemade Izal. It's cheaper, You can make a business out of it. You can sell to hospital, offices, even use for yourself at home. So guys, if you have watched this video till this time, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't take your love for granted. If you are new here, you are welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for all you do. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any beautiful and interesting videos, as new videos will be coming up every week. So until next week, I will be coming again with another beautiful and interesting videos. God bless you and bye.